Now, it's that time of year when one burning issue divides the country. Does the Eurovision Song Contest provide hours of harmless family fun and a showcase of Europe's finest musical talent, or is it just rubbish? Well, as ever, allegations of political voting and plain bad taste surround tonight's show. Good. Leading some critics to ask, should we even bother anymore? Sky's Brian Daly has more.
For an event that's supposed to be a song contest, Eurovision winners have certainly become more outlandish. Take Finland's Lordi in 2006 as an example. This year, Ireland tried its own version of the unusual. It sent the puppet, Dustin the turkey, but his composition failed to gobble up enough votes. The tactic backfired and he didn't make it past the semi-finals. This is hard to take in a country with a rich Eurovision tradition and more winners than anyone else, including this song by Johnny Logan in 1987. But is it now more difficult for Irish and UK entries to repeat this success? A look at voting patterns shows three major power blocks emerging. One centred around the Balkans, another around the former Warsaw Pact nations, and a third in Scandinavia, and giving each other the nod. But for some observers, this doesn't come as a big surprise.
It does definitely political voting and people voting for their neighbouring countries and all that, but that always happened. But at the end of the day, the best songs always win. But the problem with Eurovision today is it's just a big television show. No credible songwriter or no credible performer wants to be involved in Eurovision because it doesn't help their CV. And it doesn't sell records anymore. And that's the problem. If we got a really good writer and a really good performer to go, we could win it again, of course. Same with the UK.
And the man who composed an Irish Eurovision winning song back in 1980 believes we should be taking on these power blocks at their own game.
We have enough Eastern Europe people living here in Ireland now. What we need to do is find ourselves a good Latvian or a Lithuanian who can get out there and write a song that will fit harmonically into what they do, and we might even find a new singer.
To represent Ireland.
To represent Ireland.
Eastern Europe, we love you.
So it appears if you can't beat them, join them. But Ireland has tried that already, and it didn't exactly work out. Brian Daly, Sky News, Dublin.